Hey guys, today we have another cloning technique to learn. Let's take a look at it. It might look a little complicated, but it really isn't. Just a few different shots of you walking in different clothes, that's all. Let's jump into the CapCut and see how it's actually done. For this project, shoot everything with your phone or camera placed in one spot. Shoot it in one take so you don't need to click the record button multiple times. In this way, you'll eliminate the risk of moving it. Make sure the objects in the room don't get moved during filming, as I bumped into the door on the left and noticed it only after I finished filming. When you walk from one side to another, change your clothes and walk again. Then cut full video into short clips like you see here. Once you have short clips, select the second clip and click Overlay button from the options below. This will allow us to play both clips at the same time. Drag the bottom clip a little to the left so the second you would start walking through the door, when the first you is somewhere in the middle of the room. In this way we avoid overlapping, and that's why this technique is possible and so simple. Then we have to apply the mask for the bottom clip so both of the clips are visible at the same time. But we'll have to use keyframes to make the mask move. I'll show you what happens if we don't use keyframes. The mask stays in one position and doesn't move, but we need it to move, so let's do that. Keyframes will allow us to animate the mask so it moves along the person. Don't get scared at this point, it's really simple, just give it a shot. To activate keyframes, click on the bottom clip and go to its beginning. Then click on the keyframe icon. Now we can move the mask and it will get animated. So let's select the bottom clip again and click on the option below which says mask and choose split option. Position it in a way so it doesn't cover the first person walking and it doesn't overlap with the second appearing, so keep it just in the middle. As you fast forward few frames ahead, move the mask along the first person so it gives enough room for the second person to walk out. That little arrow next to the yellow line controls feathering, which means how rough should be the transition in between the videos. In my video, I have to add just a little bit of feathering, as when I walk by, the light changes, and you can clearly see it if feathering is not added. And now, just a quick review if everything is working fine. Now we used first and second clips. So now let's select third one and from the option below click on Overlay option. As I have 4 clips of me walking, I wanna move the fourth one out of the way. So I apply the overlay to it as well and move it to the side so it's out of the way until I need it. Now try and time it when the third clip should start and place it there. Then select the third clip and activate the keyframe option. When that's done, apply linear mask like we did for the previous clip. Pretty much everything is going the same way like before, but I'll go through it with you just in case you need a little more help. Place the mask in between 2 people so it doesn't overlap with any of them. Go few frames forward and then move the mask so it follows the person leaving the frame. Here the issue arises. The mask layer doesn't follow the top clip fast enough, so we left with a dark patch. The way how I fix it here is, I extend the top clip just a couple of seconds more, so it shows the room longer. As when I filmed, I was changing my jacket after I walked through, so I knew that I have extra time to make the shot longer. Also, you can fix this by doing a better job at masking, but I think this option is more time efficient as masking takes time. Then we position the fourth and last clip, activate the keyframe option and apply the mask. Then position the mask in between two shots and move it couple of frames forward. Then move the mask so it follows the person out of the frame. This video could use more work, but it's an excellent video for demonstration purposes. Your one should look much better. If you create one by following this tutorial, post it at the comment section so I can see how you did. Also, ask any questions if anything is unclear. And final revision before saving the project. Also, I had to extend the third clip so the door doesn't turn into black frame.
Another easy technique learned to make your videos more entertaining. I hope this was helpful, guys, and you learned what you wanted. Don't forget to check out the channel, guys, because there are many more different and interesting ideas on how to make your videos more entertaining and interesting. If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so this information reaches more people and helps them out in their video making journey. And as always, I'll see you next time.